This is Deconstruction and my name is Akshat. Let's understand how a bridge is built. Bridges are one of the greatest engineering marvels, from ancient stone bridges to modern cable stay wonders. They connect cities, cross rivers, and withstand extreme forces. But how are bridges actually built? And what are the different types? In today's video, I'll break it all down step by step. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing construction videos. Before we dive into construction, let's first understand the different type of bridges engineers used based on design and purpose. The first one is beam bridge. This is the most basic, simple type. A horizontal beam supported by piers used for short distance like over the creek, rivers, or highways. Number two is arch bridges. These bridges distribute weight evenly using a curved arch. Famous examples include the old Roman stone bridges and even modern steel arch bridges. For example, you see in the photo here is a modern arch bridge on Pacific Coast Highway in California. Number three is suspension bridges. These bridges use cable hanging from tall towers on the both sides, allowing them to span huge distance like Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco. Number four is cable stay bridges. Unlike suspension bridges, these use direct cables connected to towers on both sides, making them more stable and easier to construct. Example, Gordie Howe International Bridge in Detroit, connecting Detroit and Windsor in Canada. Truss bridges. These are made of interconnected steel triangles, which give them incredible strength, perfect for railway and highways. For example, Howrah Bridge in Calcutta, India. Now that we know the type, let's see how a bridge actually built. We'll take the example of a simple beam bridge over a creek. The first step is to analyze the riverbed, soil conditions, and environmental impact. This helps decide the type of foundation needed to construct this small bridge. If the soil is weak, we may need deep foundation, which is a deep pile foundation or drill shaft. In this case, we are taking a drill shaft foundation or pile foundation. On screen, you can see some examples of how a drill shaft or pile foundations are constructed to support the bridge deck. Once we drill the pile foundations, on top of those, we will build columns and caps to support the superstructure or the bridge deck. Now comes the main part, the bridge deck. Large steel or concrete beams are placed across the piers to support the bridge deck. On the screen, you can see how we are lifting the girders and placing them in place to support the bridge deck or the surface of the bridge. On top of the girders, workers then install or place precast concrete panels. To make it strong, engineers use steel reinforcement. Now that the structure is complete, asphalt or concrete pavement is laid along with guardrails, drainage system, and streetlights for safety and beautification. Before opening, engineers run a load test by driving heavy trucks over the bridge to ensure it can handle real-world traffic. And that's how bridges are built, from strong foundation to the final road surface. Every step is a masterpiece of engineering. Which type of bridge do you like the most? Comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing construction content.